Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Mr. Bro V. Guys, we all know that pendrive is a device which is used to transfer data. So in this video, we will insert the pendrive in the phone charger and it will plug in. Then we will check what it will happen. Guys, the pendrive may burn or the data in the pendrive may corrupt or thing will not happen. Let's check it out. Guys, before checking, I will tell you short thing about the pendrive, okay? There are 4 metal pins in the pendrive, 2 for power supply and 2 for data transfer. One metal pin is positive and the other is negative for power supply, and one is positive and the other one is negative for the data transfer also. When we get inside the pendrive, there will be a chip for memory storage and there will be many chips to manipulate that data transfer. Before getting into the video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more cooling videos. Let's get into the video.
Guys, now let's try with this, but before that let's check and see what are the datas available in the pen drive. So I am using my OTG cable. And I'm connecting it with the smartphone. Guys, so many files like photos and videos are available in this pen drive. Okay guys, now let's try it out. Guys, actually the pen drive is not connected properly, so 1 second. Guys, it's like oh no moment. Drive connection is not showing in the smartphone. Guys, finally it's connected properly and also the files are available.
Guys, actually nothing happened. I'll tell you why and what happened. When the pendrive is directly inserted in charger and when it is plugged in, the pendrive is powered up from the charger. If we keep this for a long time as the charger is plugged in, it will actually start to heat. Actually the chips in the pendrive are getting it, okay. Guys, pendrive runs from 500 mAh to 2 mAh with no problem. Guys, when we use cheap charger with low quality and also with no certification, there is a chance of flow of overcurrent and the chip which regulates the current might burn. And in the case of data corruption, when we use the branded pen drives, it may be protected. As well, when we use the local pen drive without branded, there is a chance of data corruption. Hope you all like this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and we'll meet in the next video. Tata.